Hi there! Join Ellie and her friends as they splash around in a cool creek in the enchanted forest. Let's go! Chapter 4 Ellie's Creek Adventure. Welcome back to the adventures of Ellie and her forest friends. In the last chapter, Ellie and her friends explored a mysterious cave, uncovering ancient cave paintings that sparked their curiosity about the history of their forest home. Today, Ellie and her friends are enjoying a fun day at the creek, splashing around in the cool water. It was a hot day, and Ellie and her friends were having a great time playing in the cool creek. They splashed around, skipping stones, and enjoying the refreshing water. Suddenly, one of Ellie's friends gets swept away by the strong current. Everyone panics, but Ellie quickly jumps into action. With quick thinking and bravery, Ellie swims towards her friend and helps them to safety. Ellie's friends are grateful for her bravery, and they all hug each other tightly, relieved that everyone is safe. As they leave the creek, Ellie's friends thank her for saving their friend's life. Ellie realizes that she can be brave when she needs to be, and that her friends can count on her to keep them safe. Ellie and her friends sit quietly on the shore, enjoying the peaceful sound of the water flowing by. They feel grateful for their friendship and the adventures they have together. The sun sets over the creek, casting a warm golden light over the group. It was a day they would never forget, and Ellie learned an important lesson about courage and quick thinking. As they walk home, Ellie and her friends talk excitedly about their next adventure. They know that whatever challenges come their way, they can count on each other to be brave and strong. Thank you for joining us on this chapter of Ellie and Friends in the Forest. We hope you enjoyed it and learned the importance of bravery and quick thinking in challenging situations. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where Ellie and her friends will continue their adventures in the woods. Are you curious about what adventures we had today? Keep following Ellie and her friends' adventures. We'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons to watch and play with us right now.